All right, let's dive right in. We're going to tackle how to revise for the Cambridge IGCSE Maths exam, specifically paper 0580. Our goal here? To build you a super clear, step-by-step master plan so you can walk into that exam feeling totally prepared and confident. Let's do it.
So, first things first, how do you even begin to revise for a huge exam like this? I mean, the syllabus is massive, right? You've got everything from number and algebra to geometry and statistics. It can feel, well, pretty overwhelming. If you're looking at it all and feeling a bit of that, where do I even start anxiety, trust me, you are not alone. But a great plan changes everything.
And that is exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to build a simple but really powerful 3-step master plan. And you know what the best part is? This whole strategy comes straight from the official Cambridge Learner Guide, so you know it's the real deal, designed to help you succeed.
Here's the game plan for today. We'll kick things off with the master plan itself. Then we'll break down each of the 3 steps, getting your study skills on point, creating the perfect revision schedule, and then tracking all your topics. And finally, we'll tie it all together to show you your clear path to success.
Okay, let's get into the heart of it, your personal master plan for conquering IGCSE maths. Remember, this isn't just about studying harder, it's about studying a whole lot smarter.
So step 1 is all about building that solid foundation. We're talking about smart study skills. Before you can jump into complex problems, you need to have the right habits and the right tools ready to go. This is where it all begins.
Honestly, getting organized is a superpower. It just cuts down on stress and makes you way more efficient. And it starts with really simple things, like using one planner for all your deadlines. Keep all your notes, your calculator, everything in one spot. And when a huge topic like algebra feels like too much, break it down. Think factorizing expressions or solving linear equations. And that amazing feeling you get when you tick something off your list? That's what we call momentum.
Next up, taking notes. You see, great notes aren't just about scribbling things down. They're about actually understanding the material. Cambridge points to 2 fantastic styles. On one side, you have structured notes, like using bullet points and an outline. This is perfect when the lesson has a really clear logical flow. And on the other side, creative notes, like mind maps. These are amazing for brainstorming and for seeing how different ideas, maybe in geometry, all link together.
And this slide shows those 2 methods perfectly. See on the left? That's the Cornell method, super organized. You put your notes in the main box, pull out keywords on the side, and then write a quick summary at the bottom. Then on the right, you've got the mind map. You could put a big idea like trigonometry right in the center and then branch out with all the related concepts like sine, cosine, and Pythagoras theorem. You got to play around and see which one feels right for you. Let's move on to step 2. So, now that you've got the skills, you need a strategy. This is where we put together the perfect plan that's going to guide you all the way to exam day.
I know, a revision timetable might seem a bit rigid, but trust me, it's actually about creating freedom. It helps you make sure you cover everything without that last-minute panic. Just look at this example. It shows you how to mix things up, right? Bouncing between algebra and geometry keeps your brain fresh. And check this out. Friday is totally dedicated to doing and marking a past paper. Then Saturday is for reviewing the week and hitting those weaker topics, all before a much-needed rest day on Sunday. It's all about building a routine you can actually stick with.
And that brings us to maybe the most important point of all. You are not a machine. Your brain desperately needs breaks to process all that information. So, just like the guide says, plan a full rest day. Take short little breaks during your study time. And please stop working a couple of hours before bed to let your mind chill out. Even a quick walk can do wonders. A realistic plan is a flexible plan, and that's the key to avoiding burnout.
Okay, this right here is probably the single most effective revision tool you have. But just doing past papers isn't quite enough. You need the 4-step power-up. First, answer the paper under real exam conditions. I'm talking no distractions, timer on. Second, mark it. Be honest with yourself and use the official mark scheme. Third, and this is the absolute key, analyze your mistakes. Why did you lose that mark? Was it a simple slip-up or a concept you just don't get? And finally, revise. Go back to that specific topic and drill it until it becomes one of your strengths.
All right, we're on to our final step. You've got the skills, you've got the plan. Now you just need a way to keep an eye on your progress and make sure you're focusing your energy in all the right places. It's time to track your topics.
So let me introduce you to your new best friend, the RAG system. It's such a simple way to check in with yourself. For every single topic on the syllabus, you're going to rate your confidence.
R is for red, you feel unsure, this needs urgent attention. A is for amber, you're getting there, but you could definitely use more practice. And G is for green. You feel super confident and you're ready for any exam question on it.
And here's what that looks like in the real world. You grab the official revision checklist from the Cambridge Guide. It lists every single thing you need to know. And then you just rate yourself. So you can see here this student marked types of numbers as red. That's their top priority for revision. Fractions and decimals is amber. Time for some more practice questions. And the 4 operations, that's green. Awesome. Your mission is simple. Turn all those reds and ambers into solid greens.
And there you have it, a clear, structured, and really effective way to get ready. So let's just do a quick recap of everything we've covered to map out your path to success.
So your 3-step master plan is this. 1. Build your foundation with smart study skills. That means getting organized and finding a note-taking style that just clicks for you. 2. Create the perfect plan by building a realistic timetable and using past papers the right way. And 3. Track your topics using that RAG system to make every minute of your revision count.
At the end of the day, success in IGCSE maths isn't some kind of magic trick. It's all about having a method. By following this plan, you're not just crossing your fingers and hoping for a good grade. You're building a clear path to get there. You've got the strategy, you've got the tools, you are ready for this.
Fundoo Tutor is a personalized learning platform that helps students succeed in Cambridge, IB, and other international curriculums with expert mentorship, structured learning support, and engaging resources.